Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about communicative activities. If you are new for my channel, please subscribe to get additional videos. Let's start. Okello and Ojulu are talking to each other. Okello said, "Shall we take a taxi or a bus to the meeting?" Then Ojulu blank. It's almost impossible to find a taxi during rush hours. Then Okello and Ojulu are talking to each other. Okello said, "Shall we take a taxi or a bus to the meeting?" Ojulu blank. It's almost impossible to find a taxi. There's a clue for you to decide which one the answer is. It's almost impossible to find a taxi during rush hours. During rush hours means the traffic is heaviest. So, let's see the choice part. A.
We had better take a taxi.
B. We should take a taxi. C. We ought to have gone on foot. D. We could take either. So if it is almost impossible to find a taxi during rush hour, so they find or Ojulu find a bus. So bus would be possible. So we can say Ojulu blank. It's almost impossible to find a taxi. If it is this one, so a bus would be possible. We would better take a bus. B. We should take a taxi. We ought to have gone on foot. That means a taxi or a bus to the meeting is alternative. So a bus would be possible, that means. So we would better take a bus can be the answer. The next question. Teacher and students. Teacher, you can usually blank football on Sunday. What do you do in the evening? Student, I often blank television. You can is third person singular. So if this one third person singular, the verb needs S or ES. That's why usually is one of the adverbs of frequency. In adverbs of frequency, we use V1. So you can usually blank football on Sunday. What do you do in the evening? Then student, I often. Often and usually are adverbs of frequency. So they need V1 around here. So you can usually plays football on Sunday. What do you do in the evening? Then the student's answer should be, I often watch television. So A, plays, I'm watching. B is playing, watch. C, plays, watch. D, play, watch. So the answer is plays, watch. C. Father and son are talking to each other. Father, where have you been all day? I have been looking for you all over the place. Son blank. Where have you been all day? ቀኑን ሙሉ የት ነበርክ? ብዙ ቦታ ፈልጌ አጥቻለሁ። Then son blank. I am sorry, Dad. I was in library. B. Dad, have you checked my bedroom? C. Why? D. Dad, that's not how you treat a child. ቀኑን ሙሉ የት ነበርክ? ብዙ ቦታ ፈልጌ አጥቻለሁ ሲለው ልጁ ይቅርታ ላይብራሪ ነበርኩ ነው ማለት ያለበት። I am sorry, Dad. I was in library. B. Dad, have you checked my bedroom? ቤድሩሜን ቼክ አርጋሃል ማለት የለበትም። ቀኑን ሙሉ የት ነበርክ ብሎ ሲጠይቀው የነበረበትን ቦታ መናገር ነው ያለበት ከይቅርታ ጋር። ለምን አባቱ ቀኑን ሙሉ ሲፈልገው ውሏል፣ ግን ሊያገኘው አልቻለም። So A. I am sorry, Dad. I was in library. C. Why? ለምን ቀኑን ሙሉ ፈልጌ አጥቻለሁ የት ነበርክ ሲለው ይቅርታ ብሎ የነበረበትን ቦታ መናገር እንጂ ሌላ ጥያቄ ማንሳት የለበትም ማለት ነው። Dad, that's not how you treat a child. አሁን ትሪት የማድረግና ያለማድረግ ጉዳይ አይደለም። So the answer is, I am sorry, Dad. I was in library. Can be the answer is A. Congratulations on your graduation. You blank. If Gus said that one, what will be your answer? A. Congratulations. B. Thank you. C. Welcome. D. You are welcome. If someone said, if August said, congratulations on your graduation, then your answer should be thank you. And so congratulations ሲለን thank you ነው ማለት ያለ። So the answer is thank you. You, that looks heavy. Do you need a hand, mom? An elder lady, blank. በጣም ግዙፍ ይመስላል፣ በጣም ትልቅ ይመስላል ያስሹት ነገር። ገዛ ያስፈልግሻል ላግዝሽ ብላችሁ ስጠይቋት ምን ልትል ትችላለች ነው? An elderly lady. A. Of course. What do you mean? I have hands. ምን ማለት ነው? እጅ እኮ አለኝ አለም የተፈለገው። Do you need a hand, mom? ስንል እገዛ ያስፈልግሻል ወይ ነው እንጂ እጅ የለሽም ማለት አይደለም። Of course. What do you mean? I have hands. እጅ እኮ አለኝ ማለት የለባትም። B. Of course. It's heavy. አዎ በእርግጥ ትልቅ ነው። C. Your right hand would be good. ቀኝ እጅ ወይም ቀኝ እጅሽ ብትሰጪኝ ጥሩ ነው። D. How kind of you? Thank you. እንዴት ደስ የሚል ነገር ነው፣ አመሰግናለሁ። ያ ማለት ልትረዳ ፈቃደኛ ናት ማለት ነው። So the answer should be D. How kind of you? Thank you can be the answer. Hannah and Ikram are talking to each other. Hannah, do you mind if I give you back your money next week? ገንዘብሽን በሚቀጥለው ሳምንት በመልስልሽ ቅር ይልሻል? Do you mind if I give you back your money next week? ቅር ይልሻል ወይ ነው። በሚቀጥለው ሳምንት በመልስልሽ ቅር ይልሻል? ኢክራም blank. Yes, you can give me next week. አው ቅር ይለኛል፣ በሚቀጥለው ሳምንት መልሽልኛለሽ። B. No, I need money for tomorrow. ቅር አይለኝም፣ ነገ ፈልገዋለሁ። C. No, that's totally unacceptable. ቅር አይለኝም። Do you mind? ነው ያለችው። ቅር አይለኝም ብለን that is totally unacceptable. አይ ሙሉ ለሙሉ ተቀባይነት የለውም ልንል አንችልም። D. No, next week will be fine. Therefore, አይ ቅር አይለኝም፣ በሚቀጥለው ሳምንት ብትመልሽልኝ ጥሩ ነው፣ አይከፋም የሚል አንሰር ነው መመለስ ያለበት። For the answer is D. No, ቅር አይለኝም. Next week would be fine can be the answer. Your brother's friend. Can I ask you where your brother is? Can I ask you where your brother is? You blank. A. Sure, ask me. B. He is at home. C. Why do you want him? D. Yes, you can. Your brother asked you question. Your brother's friend. Can I ask you where your brother is? ሲል ወንድምህ የት እንዳለ ማወቅ እችላለሁ? ወንድምህ የት እንዳለ ልትነግረኝ ትችላለህ ነው ጥያቄው። ሹር አስክ ሚ ሊል አይችልም፣ ጠይቆታል ኦልሬዲ። የጠየቀው ጥያቄ ምንድነው? ወንድሙ የት እንዳለ እንዲነግረው ነው። ሹር አስክ ሚ ሂ ኢዝ አት ሆም። ቀጥታ ወንድሙ የት እንዳለ መንገር ወይም ደግሞ የት እንዳለ የማያውቁም ከሆነ እንደማያውቅ መናገር ነው ያለበት። ሹር አስክ ሚ። B. He is at home. C. Why do you want him? D. Yes, you can. ከሌሎቹ ምርጫዎች ውስጥ አሁን ትክክለኛ መልስ ሊሆን የሚችለው he is at home. Sure, ask me ሊል አይችልም፣ ኦልሬዲ ጠይቆታል። your brother is. Why do you want him? አያገባውም። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ለምን እንደፈለገው yes you can አዎ ትችላለህ ነው ያለው፣ ኦልሬዲ ጠይቆታል። So the answer is he is at home. B. Receptionist. And you. Receptionist, Ethiopian Airlines. How may I help you? አሁን ስልክ ነው። ስልክ አንስታ ኢትዮጵያን ኤርላይንስ ነው ምልርዳውት ነው እያለች ያለችው። You blank. Can I speak to the manager, please? B. Whom am I speaking to? C. Where is the manager? D. You can help me a lot. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ሊባል የሚችለው ሪሴፕሽን ስልክ አንስታ ኢትዮጵያን ኤርላይንስ ነው ምልርዳውት ነው ያለችው። አሁን እናንተ የፈለጋችሁት ወይም ምን የፈለኩት ወይም አንተ የፈለከው ወይም የፈለግሽው ማናጀሩን ማናገር ስለሆነ Can I speak to the manager, please? Is the correct answer. B. Whom am I speaking to? ማን ነው እያወራኝ ያለው ማለት የለባችሁ፣ አያገባችሁ። የፈለጋችሁትን አካል መጠየቅ ብቻ ነው የሚችለው። Where is the manager? የት ነው ማናጀሩ ያለው አይደለም አሁን እዚህ ጋር መባል ያለበት። You can help me a lot. So the answer is Can I speak to the manager, please? Can be the answer. The way how to ask question politely. Your friend, I am going out for lunch. Would you like to join me? You blank. A. Why don't we stay a little longer? B. I would be glad. C. Why don't we eat spaghetti? D. Juice would be better. ምሳ ውጭ መብላት እንፈልጋለን ወይም እፈልጋለሁ። Would you like to join me? ከኔ ጋር መሆን ትችላለህ? ትችያለሽ? So why don't we stay longer? ብዙ ለምን አንቆይም? አይደለም ጥያቄው መሆን ያለበት። አዎ መሆን እችላለሁ ወይም አይ አይመቸኝም ስራ ላይ ነኝ ነው። ይመቸው ከሆነ አዎ ፈቃደኛ ይሆናል። ማይመቸው ከሆነ አይመቸኝም ይቅርታ ነው ማለት ያለበት። Why don't we stay longer? አሁን እዚህ ጋር አይሄድም ፊት አያደርግም። I would be glad. ደስ ይለኛል ነው። Why don't we eat spaghetti? ገና እዛ አልደረሱም። The juice would be better. አሁን እነዚህ እዛ ቦታ ላይ ከተገኙ በኋላ ዲስከስ ሊያደርጉት የሚችሉት ነገር ነው። So I would be glad should be the answer. The answer is B. Manager interviewee. How long have you worked for their organization? How long have you worked for their organization? ለምን ያክል ጊዜ ሰርተሃል? እዛ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ውስጥ ለምን ያክል ጊዜ ሰርተሃል ወይም ሰርተሻል ነው ጥያቄው። ኢንተርቪዊ ብላንክ long enough to know them እስከማውቃቸው ጊዜ ድረስ። B. several years ለብዙ ዓመታት ያክል። C. not so long ago በጣም ከረጅም ዓመት በፊት ግን አይደለም። that length doesn't matter ሌንግዙ ብዙ ማተር አይመጣም የሚል ነው። አሁን ግን የተጠየቀ ያለው ለምን ያክል ጊዜ እዛ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ቆይተሃል ወይም ቆይተሻል ነው። several years ለብዙ ዓመታት ያክል can be the answer. So the answer is B. several years can be the answer. Manager, you are no longer going to work with us. Employee blank. Manager and employee are talking to each other. You are no longer going to work with us. ከኛ ጋር ስራ መቀጠል አትችልም። ከኛ ጋር መስራት አትችልም ነው። So the employee blank. Employee blank. Wow, what news? መቼም ከኛ ጋር ስራ መቀጠል አትችልም ሲለው ዋው ሊል አይችልም፣ ሊደነቅ አይችልም። B. No, you are wrong. I am working with you. አይ ተሳስተሃል፣ ካንተ ጋር እየሰራው ነው። C. Why? It's because I am qualified. ለምን? qualified ስለሆንኩ ነው፣ ብቁ ስለሆንኩ ነው። D. What? Are you kidding me? ማናጀሩ ከኛ ጋር ስራ መቀጠል አትችልም ወይም ከኔ ጋር ስራ መቀጠል አትችልም ሲልህ ወይም ሲልሽ በተወሰነ መልኩ ፊሊንግ አለ ማለት ነው። ምን እየቀለድክ መሆን አለበት። እየቀለድክ ነው የሚል አንሰር ነው መሆን ያለበት። So the answer is D. What? Are you kidding me? Can be the answer for this blank space. Salome and Blaine are talking to each other. Have you heard that a father raped his own daughter? Have you heard that a father raped his own daughter? Blaine blank. What? How horrible. B. Is she okay? C. Who is he? D. I wonder what people say. Have you heard that a father raped his own daughter? ሲል ብሌን አሁን ድንጋጤ ነው፣ በተወሰነ መልኩ ፊሊንግ ነው ሊሰማት የሚገባው። A. What? How horrible. B. Is she okay? C. Who is he? D. I wonder what people say. አሁን እዚህ ጋር have you heard that a father raped his own daughter ሲባል ብሌን በተወሰነ መልኩ ፊሊንግ ይኖራታል። What? How horrible. ምን አይነት አስቀያሚ፣ ምን አይነት አስፈሪ ነገር ነው የሚል ሀሳብ ነው። Is she okay? ደህና ነች? A father raped his own daughter ካለ ማን ነው እሱ የሚል ነገር አይደለም። አሁን I wonder what people say. So the answer is what? How horrible. The answer should be A. Thank you so much for everything. Tlaun said, thank you very much for everything. Third blank. You're welcome. B. You're welcome. C. Never mind. D. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for everything. So if Tlaun said this one, that answer should be you're welcome. You are welcome can be the answer. You're welcome is not the way, not grammatical. Never mind. I'm sorry, not the answer. So the answer should be you are welcome. This about some of the communicative activities. I signed up for today. The next time I will bring you the writing part. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Till then, have a nice time.